That receding hairline and those thinning edges you've been desperately trying to hide with creative hairstyles are not a life sentence, and the dermatologist who told you those follicles are dead forever might have been completely wrong. What if I told you that bald spots and disappeared edges can actually regrow using natural remedies? So effective that people document their transformations with monthly photos, showing hair literally coming back from nothing? The science behind what's about to be revealed is going to give you hope you probably thought was lost forever. Welcome to Infinite Infotainment, where we expose natural solutions that make expensive treatments look absolutely ridiculous. Today we're revealing the top remedies for regrowing bald spots and edges naturally. And these aren't just folk remedies or wishful thinking, these are treatments backed by real science and thousands of before and after transformations. Let's dive into what actually works and why. Here's something absolutely crucial that changes everything about how you think about bald spots and lost edges. Most hair follicles that appear dead are actually just dormant, trapped in an extended resting phase by inflammation, poor circulation, or hormonal signals telling them to shut down. Unless the bald area is smooth, shiny, and has been completely hairless for over a decade, there's an excellent chance those follicles are still alive and capable of producing hair again if you give them the right conditions to wake up. The reason commercial treatments often fail isn't because regrowth is impossible, it's because they typically address only one factor while ignoring the others. Maybe they improve circulation, but don't reduce inflammation. Maybe they provide nutrients, but don't address the hormonal signals causing dormancy. The natural remedies that actually work are the ones targeting multiple causes simultaneously, creating an environment where dormant follicles have no choice but to start functioning again. But here's the uncomfortable truth that everyone needs to hear before getting excited. Regrowing bald spots takes patience, consistency, and realistic expectations. You're not going to see dramatic results in 2 weeks. Genuine regrowth happens over months, typically 3 to 6 months before you see obvious new growth, and up to a year for significant density. Anyone promising faster results is either lying or selling something that won't work long-term. The first remedy that's been scientifically proven to work as well as minoxidil, the active ingredient in products like Rogaine, is rosemary essential oil. And the research backing this is so solid that even skeptical dermatologists can't argue with it. A landmark study published in 2015 compared rosemary oil directly to 2% minoxidil for treating hair loss. And after 6 months, both groups showed nearly identical regrowth results, except the rosemary oil group experienced 0 scalp irritation, while the minoxidil group had significant itching and sensitivity. Rosemary oil works by dramatically improving blood circulation to the scalp, essentially feeding starving hair follicles the nutrients and oxygen they need to exit dormancy and start producing hair again. But it also reduces inflammation around follicles that's often preventing regrowth, and it blocks DHT, the hormone responsible for pattern baldness, through natural compounds that work without the side effects of pharmaceutical DHT blockers. The application method that produces results requires mixing rosemary essential oil with a carrier oil like coconut or jojoba, because pure essential oil is too concentrated and can irritate skin. The ratio is about 6 drops of rosemary oil per tablespoon of carrier oil, massaged directly into bald spots and thinning edges with firm circular motions for 5 minutes to boost circulation even further. This needs to be done daily or at minimum 5 times weekly, left on for at least 2 hours or overnight for best results, then washed out with gentle shampoo. People who commit to this protocol consistently report visible baby hairs appearing in previously bald areas within 3 to 4 months. And by 6 months, those baby hairs have thickened into terminal hairs that look like the rest of their hair. The key is relentless consistency, because missing days or weeks resets progress and lets follicles slip back into dormancy. The second remedy that's been growing back edges and filling in bald spots for generations is castor oil, specifically Jamaican black castor oil, which is the traditional preparation containing ash that makes it more alkaline and somehow more effective for hair regrowth. This isn't just old wives' tales. Castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, a fatty acid found almost nowhere else in nature, that penetrates deep into hair follicles to strengthen them while delivering nutrients that stimulate renewed growth. What makes castor oil particularly effective for edges and bald spots is its incredibly thick consistency that allows it to stay in place for extended periods, continuously feeding follicles rather than evaporating like lighter oils. It also has natural antifungal and antibacterial properties that clear up scalp infections people often don't realize they have, infections that can prevent regrowth even when everything else is optimized. The traditional application method involves applying pure castor oil directly to problem areas every single night before bed, massaging it in thoroughly to stimulate circulation, then covering hair with a satin bonnet or scarf to prevent the thick oil from destroying your pillowcase. The smell is admittedly distinctive and not exactly pleasant, kind of earthy and medicinal, but people who want their edges back accept this as the price of regrowth. Results from castor oil typically appear slightly faster than rosemary oil, with many users reporting visible baby hairs within 2 to 3 months of nightly application. The combination of deep follicle nourishment, antimicrobial action, and enhanced circulation creates ideal conditions for dormant follicles to reactivate. Women who've lost edges from tight hairstyles see particularly dramatic results, because the follicles are usually just traumatized and inflamed rather than truly dead. The third remedy sounds absolutely insane and smells even worse than it sounds, but the scientific evidence behind onion juice for hair regrowth is so compelling that you'll probably tolerate the smell once you understand what it's doing. Onion juice contains sulfur compounds that boost collagen production in scalp tissue, and collagen is essential for hair follicle health and function. But more importantly, onion juice dramatically increases blood flow to the scalp while reducing inflammation and eliminating scalp infections, hitting every major factor that prevents regrowth. A study on alopecia areata, the autoimmune condition causing circular bald patches, showed that patients applying onion juice to bald spots twice daily experienced regrowth in over 80% of cases, results that surpass most medical treatments for this condition. The researchers were honestly shocked that something as simple as onion juice could outperform pharmaceuticals, but the multi-mechanism approach explains why it works so well. The preparation requires blending fresh onions and straining out pure juice, then applying it directly to bald spots and edges with a cotton ball, massaging thoroughly, and leaving it on for minimum 30 minutes, though 2 hours produces better results. The smell is genuinely terrible, like you're wearing an onion hat. So most people do this treatment before showering and immediately wash hair afterward with shampoo containing essential oils to neutralize the lingering scent. People brave enough to endure the smell report seeing baby hairs within 4 to 8 weeks, and by 3 months, significant regrowth that makes the temporary social awkwardness absolutely worth it. The sulfur compounds in onion juice appear to kickstart follicle activity more aggressively than other remedies, making it ideal for stubborn bald spots that haven't responded to gentler treatments. Here's where we reveal the secret that produces the most dramatic regrowth: combining these remedies strategically rather than using just one. The most effective protocol involves alternating treatments to hit follicles from multiple angles without causing buildup or overstimulation. A powerful rotation is castor oil on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday nights, rosemary oil on Tuesday and Thursday nights, and onion juice on Saturday morning before showering, with Sunday as a rest day for your scalp and your social life. This rotation ensures follicles receive constant stimulation from different compounds working through different mechanisms, preventing adaptation where follicles stop responding to a single treatment used repeatedly. The combination of castor oil's deep nourishment, rosemary's circulation boost, and DHT blocking And onion juice's collagen stimulation creates an environment where even severely dormant follicles often have no choice but to reactivate and start producing hair again. People following this combination protocol consistently report the fastest and most complete regrowth, often seeing results a full month earlier than those using single remedies. The downside is that it requires serious commitment and organization to maintain the rotation consistently. But bald spots and disappeared edges aren't going to regrow themselves while you're hoping for convenient solutions. If you're ready to stop hiding your edges and bald spots and start documenting actual regrowth over the next 6 months, comment "Regrowth Journey" below and let me know which remedy you're starting with. Subscribe to Infinite Infotainment for more natural remedies that actually work. And next week, I'm revealing the scalp massage techniques that triple the effectiveness of any hair growth treatment by forcing dormant follicles to wake up. Here's the ultimate truth about bald spots and lost edges. They're not always permanent. They're just waiting for the right conditions to regrow. Stop accepting defeat because someone told you those follicles are dead, and start creating the environment where dormant follicles can reactivate. Rosemary oil, castor oil, and onion juice aren't miracle cures. They're just incredibly effective at addressing the inflammation, poor circulation, and nutritional deficiencies that cause follicles to shut down in the first place. Your edges and bald spots didn't disappear overnight, and they won't reappear overnight either. But with consistent application of remedies that actually work, many people watch their hairlines slowly creep forward and their edges gradually fill back in over months of patient treatment. The before and after photos speak for themselves, showing hair returning to areas that had been smooth and bald for years. Stop spending money on products that promise impossible results and start using remedies that have been documented to work by thousands of people who were exactly where you are now. Your follicles are probably just sleeping, not dead, and these natural treatments are exactly what they need to wake up and start working again. This is Infinite Infotainment, where hope isn't just a feeling, it's backed by science and proven by results.